Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use FreeCash earnings on Swiggy Instamart using the PC. Let's get started. First, open any browser on your computer, go to the FreeCash website and log into your account. Once you are logged in, start by earning money. You can earn on FreeCash by completing offers, games and surveys. After earning enough balance, go to the withdrawal section, tap on your earning amount at the top right. This will take you to the withdrawal section. Now choose a withdrawal method that works with Swiggy Instamart. The best option is usually a gift card or a PayPal, depending on what is available in your country. If FreeCash offers a Swiggy gift card, select it and redeem it. If not, you can withdraw using PayPal and use that money to pay on Swiggy. Once your withdrawal is successful, you will receive a gift card, code or money in your PayPal account. Now open a new tab and go to the Swiggy website on your PC, log into your Swiggy account, go to the Instamart section, add groceries or items you want to your card and check out, choose gift card or wallet as the payment method. If you receive a gift card, enter the gift card code and apply it. If you use PayPal, select PayPal and complete the payment. Once payment is done, your Swiggy Instamart order is placed. And that's it. You have successfully used FreeCash earnings on Swiggy Instamart using a PC. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.